So that was the answer that
construction.
exactly Tata gave to the world, that nothing can stop India.
Hello. Welcome to our channel. I am Magda, the Mexicana.
And I am Vishal, El Indiano.
And together we are
Mexican couple. So guys, Tata.
Tata. What?
Today we're going to be watching a video about the great and massive business empire of Tata.
I've heard the name, and I think there's some businesses actually in Mexico.
Yes,
from him,
TCS exists
but-
in Mexico.
Mexico,
and
but
a
I
lot of Latin
don't know
American
anything about him.
So Tata is a amazing empire from my knowledge of Tata, because I have worked in Tata Capital,
Oh, you
and
were
I have worked in Tata Capital when they were taking over Land Rover and Jaguar in UK. So you see all the Land Rovers and Jaguar in England, they are all Tata made.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so Tata has done that, and it's a fantastic organization. My work experience over there has been phenomenal. These people are really the essence of ethics.
They worry for the employees. and
Exactly,
this-
they are
this
so
schemes
nice.
for them and stuff.
Exactly, they're so nice. Ratan Tata is an amazing businessman. He's such a pioneer. He is a very great source of inspiration. Right? Tata is an old family, which we're going to find out now.
Yes, thank you very much to all our friends, because we got the recommendation. We
Exactly,
actually
so-
ran a survey.
Yes. Yeah, that was quite offensive actually, because a lot of people said, I asked a question whether you want to know more about us, or do you want to know
To react to
to
Tata.
Tata.
They just want to see the reaction.
Exactly.
But I'm happy to do it anyways. Really, thank you.
We were going to do that, and we're going to do both, just as a special treat for you. Yeah. So, anyways, without further ado, let's watch the great Tata Empire.
Yes, let's watch it now.
Bombay House. This is a simple looking head office of the Tata Group in Mumbai, India. But Tata Group is anything but simple. Started as a small trading company by Jamshedji Tata in 1868,
Oh God.
Tata Group now has more employees than Toyota, Coke, Facebook, Microsoft, and Google combined. It now operates in over 100 countries.
Mexico was.
So let's tighten our seatbelts and take a world tour to witness the remarkable business empire of Tata Group. Our first stop is North America. Here Tata Group
what's
owns
that?
the luxury hotel Taj Campton Palace in San Francisco, Taj Boston, and one of the world's finest, and New York's iconic hotel, The Pierre. Tata's Tetley Tea is the second largest tea company in US
let's
and
confirm
largest
this one.
in
We
Canada.
always consume Tata.
They also own popular brands like Good Earth and America's third largest coffee company, 8 O'Clock Coffee. Tata's IT service company, TCS, operates 24 offices in North America, and while their animation and design lab, Tata Elixir, also operates in 8+ locations in the region. In manufacturing sector, the group operates a soda ash mining company in Wyoming, iron ore mining company in
So they're
Quebec,
like
Canada,
in everything.
steel manufacturing facilities
And this is just
in
North
Ohio
America.
and Pennsylvania, and also a coffee production plant. In all, Tata Group employs over 20,000 people in North America, about 3 times more than how many people Microsoft employs in India. Now let's travel to South America.
They put
TCS
Mexico,
employs
that's
more
not
than
very good.
8,000 people in 8 countries in South America. The group is also an investor in the first submarine fiber cable network between US and Brazil. Tata has also owned world's largest subsea fiber cable network. Today, 25% of world's internet routes travel over Tata's subsea networks.
This video is probably
From
gonna
South
be
America,
on Tata.
let's travel to Africa and land in the port city of South Africa, Cape Town. Here, Tata Group owns the historic luxury hotel Taj Cape Town. In nearby Zambia, they own Taj Pamodzi, one of the most luxurious hotels of the country. Tatas also operate 2 wind farms in South Africa and a hydroelectric power project in Zambia.
everything.
The group also owns Jokels, South Africa's third largest tea company. Tata Trucks and Buses are one of the top sellers in Zambia, South Africa, and Kenya. In manufacturing sector, Tata owns a chemical plant in Magadi, Kenya, which is Africa's largest soda ash manufacturer, commercial vehicle assembly plant, and a steel plant in South Africa, and finally a manufacturing and a power plant in Mozambique. From Mozambique, we will move to London, Buckingham Palace, Queen's official residence. Close to the palace, Tatas own the luxurious Taj 51 Buckingham Gate Suites. The hotel also has the world's first Jaguar suite for all the Jaguar lovers.
So the car.
Nearby, the St. James Court Hotel is also owned by the group.
Wow.
Tata's Tetley is the largest tea company in the UK. Their other European tea brands include Vitex, a popular brand in Poland, Jemka, the market leader in Czech Republic, and Grand, a coffee brand in Russia. Tata Steel is one of Europe's largest steel maker, and TCS has been awarded as the best employer in Europe. Jaguar Land Rover is also owned by Tatas
Yes.
and is the largest manufacturer of premium vehicles in Britain. The group also operates design centers in London and Paris, and one of the world's largest e-learning company in UK, Germany, and Switzerland. Tata employs around 60,000 people in Europe and is also UK's biggest industrial employer.
But I
To end it all, Tatas also own a relatively small company called British Salt in the UK. An Indian company owns British Salt. Quite ironic if one remembers
Exactly.
Gandhi's Salt
Dandi
March,
March.
carried
Which
out
British
against
did
the
allow us
British
to mine
Raj
salt from
only
our own
88
country.
years ago. Now let's travel all the way to Sydney,
Wow.
Australia.
History
Here in
changing.
Sydney,
Exactly.
TCS
Yeah.
began its first operations in Australia, and now the company operates across Australia and New Zealand with over 10,000 employees and clients like Qantas, Telstra, and Commonwealth Bank. Tatas also own popular Australian coffee machine brand MAP and operate data centers across Australia through their partnership with NextDC. The group also holds stake in Scarborough Downs coal project in Queensland, Australia.
So many businesses.
Finally, we have reached Asia. Let's start in the desert sands of the Middle East. Tata's Range Rover is one of the most sought after four-wheel drives in the region. Tata Motors is also a leader in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle segment in GCC countries, while TCS has multiple offices in the Middle East, including an all-women IT services center in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The group also owns Titan watches, a leading brand
have a Titan
in
watch.
Oman and Bahrain. They also own logistics company in UAE and the luxurious city hotel Taj Dubai near popular landmarks like Palm Jumeirah. Finally, Voltas, Tata's leading air conditioning brand, has completed major mechanical and air conditioning projects that include Burj Khalifa, Dubai, international airports in UAE and Bahrain, Ferrari Experience, and F1 racetrack in Abu Dhabi. Southeast Asia. From deserts of UAE, we will move to South Korea. Here, Tata owns South Korea's second largest heavy commercial vehicle manufacturer, Tata Daewoo. In Singapore, Tata's steel plant is the largest single cut and bent steel operations worldwide, while the group is also the largest producer of long
Yes,
steel
ma'am.
products in Thailand. Tatas also own stake in oil and gas blocks and coal reserves in Indonesia and are developing power generation projects in Myanmar and Vietnam, and
Wow,
even
that's
operate
impressive.
a life sciences research company and own plantations in Singapore and Indonesia. Even Tata's Voltas has executed engineering projects like New Hong Kong International Airport and Cyberport Business Park in Hong Kong,
Wow.
China. Here, TCS has 6 global delivery centers, Tata's own 2 rolling mills, a refractories factory, an auto parts factory, green tea manufacturing plant, and also have a Jaguar Land Rover assembly plant. We have reached South Asia, the beautiful and scenic Maldives. Here we will find the lush Taj Coral Reef with white sands and scenic view.
Let's go there.
Moving ahead to Sri Lanka, Taj owns the picturesque Taj Bentota and 2 more hotels in Colombo. Tatas also provide telecommunication services in Nepal and Sri Lanka and have even deployed a hydro project in Bhutan. After our long world tour, we have finally reached India. Here, TCS is the largest Indian company.
TCS becomes the first Indian company to hit $100 billion in market cap.
Tata Motors is a leader in commercial vehicles segment. Titan Company is India's largest manufacturer of branded watches. Tatas also run largest jewelry store chain Tanishq, while their Tata Power is India's largest integrated power company. Tatas also own steel plants, tea plantations, automobile manufacturing units, chemical factories, and even own mobile networks and DTH company Tata Sky. Not only that, they operate airline Vistara and also manufacture defense helicopters and equipments. Even Starbucks in India is jointly owned by the Tatas. Tata has not only created a massive business empire but also multiple social institutions like cancer treatment centers, mathematics and science research institutes, and also the first planned industrial city of India, Jamshedpur. 66% of the group's shares are held by a charity trust. Across the world, the company has been involved in multiple social programs. Tata is truly an incredible company and has traveled a long way from Mumbai to be now present all across the world. All I can say is, this is Tata's business empire.
It's fantastic,
It is
isn't
indeed. It is indeed. It was like, wow.
It is so impressive.
Just around the world, and the most fabulous thing is that he provides employees with adequate conditions, and they feel happy. It's the best ranked the best employer, right?
Exactly.
So that's very important to look after people that work for you.
That's
I think.
correct. Tata has done so much for the prestige of India, right? Taj Hotel, the one that you saw in Mumbai, just opposite the Gateway of India, was attacked by the terrorists on the November 26th, and it was Tata. Ratan Tata had put a challenge for his engineers to reopen the hotel as soon as possible, and it was open after the top floor being completely destroyed by firing, bomb, and everything like that. It was reopened within less than a month's time.
Okay.
Right.
Wow, that's
So
quick.
that was the answer that
Construction.
exactly Tata gave to the world, that nothing can stop India. And it's beautiful because the story has it that Taj building was built because there used to be another hotel in front of it or on the side or something or the other where JRD Tata's great grandfather went over there, and at that time, in the colonial time, it was British who were there. So British said, you guys are not allowed inside. Indians are not allowed inside. So Tata built this massive monument in front of that and said, this is our answer. Indians are allowed in here. And for a very long time, British weren't allowed in the hotel. So
Okay, wow.
it's truly a prestigious company, a very honorable company, a very honorable person, Ratan Tata, and he has proved himself phenomenal over and over again.
It's
So-
interesting also the variety of businesses. It's not like he's focusing on just technology or automobile manufacturing. It's coffee, it's tea, it's other sources of energy, hydrogen.
Exactly, yeah.
It's just impressive.
So yeah, he's like IT,
Investing
manufacturing,
everywhere.
iron, or plantation for tea. He's like in everything.
The salt.
Yeah, exactly. So Tata is just such a solid name in India. It's a synonym for the Indian government, Tata, and it's beautiful. It's amazing. The video is very nice, very
Yes,
compile.
that's very, very nice. Great job made by the authors. It's a really, really nice video. It's important also the fact that it's highlighted that, well, yeah, he does businesses, he's good in terms of the conditions for the employees, etc. But that's not enough. He's doing more, you know, all the social work for betterment of the society and of the children.
Exactly.
is really important because he's giving back to the country. So he's not only providing jobs, but he's also helping people through organizations, which is amazing. And I think we need more people like him, not only opening businesses. That's when they show Starbucks. I thought it's amazing that this is a partnership. It's not like a foreign company coming to your country and take all the earnings to their country.
Exactly.
Which it shouldn't happen. I think the country should own at least half of it because it's providing all the infrastructure and the clients.
Exactly.
So I think that's wonderful and shows a lot. Also his strength as a negotiator. He made it. I don't know how, because the Starbucks everywhere else is indifferent. And I'm just giving that example because it's the one I remember now. But there were other important things that are in partnership. So I think that's wonderful.
It is. It's fantastic. He is a very generous man. Even during the time of the lockdown in India right now, he's given so much money to the charities, to the doctors. All the doctors in Mumbai or wherever they have the hotels are staying in the hotels.
That's
and
amazing.
They have
That's
received
amazing.
such phenomenal things. There are like pictures coming out of the hospitality that they've been offered. These very important workers. The hospital.
That's wonderful, and I just takes my attention that I haven't really heard a lot about this, and I think it's, well, I can't say that because, but I think it would be nice that it's openly known. So maybe other business owners of hotels in other places will provide the same help to the health people working in the health services, because they are doing a lot for all the people during this coronavirus pandemic.
So having said that, we could go on longer than the video about Tata, because I am so very impressed by Tata. This video is just a summary, but I've been impressed with Tata since the time I worked for them, and they've been so crucial in building the country and the moral fiber of a lot of people. So thank you very much for your recommendation, guys. This is truly an eye-opener video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We absolutely loved this video. And on that note,
yes, just please reminding you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get notifications for future videos.
Exactly. It's fantastic to have you along on our journeys, and we wish you all the very best and see you next time.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Hasta luego.